Hi, good afternoon, dear friends, and I hope that you all are keeping fine. So I'm also great. So right now you can see that where I am. Right now I'm on the bus. Actually today I'm going to visit some another place, which is Thakurganj. So there is some friends. They are waiting for us. So morning time we decided to visit that place, but we were doing a lot of work schedule. That's why we are unable to so when we were getting on the bus, so that time actually that it happened with us. What happened that time while getting on the bus, so that time we were told that without ticket you can't take the bus. But over there I discussed with the conductor that we have taken ticket, but okay, so right now whatever I have told you, but I'm pretty sure that right now you are not getting what I'm telling you right now. But due to the sound of bus, as it would be better if I try to make it video after reaching that place. Until now, bye bye, and keep watching my videos. Yeah, you might be getting that one is conductor of the bus. So right now we will be asked for monies. So actually that one place it's 25 kilometers. Yeah, 25 kilometer. So for that we will have to charge 40 rupees. It means with me one more person, which one is my brother-in-law, and with him today we are going to visit that place. So as I told you, which one is Thakurganj, so that one place. Okay. So actually what happened here, that purpose I'm making this video. I mean right now I'm while traveling time that sit here until unless you try to make videos or try to speak in the public crowd, you will not be able to speak English. You can't perform in a articulate manner. That's why if you want to build your confidence or wanna get better communication skills, so that purpose you will have to speak in the crowd place. While it would be working time or institute or anywhere, don't worry that what people will think about you. Okay, like that you will have to do, then only you can build your confidence. So right now you must be getting where he is sitting standing right now. So right now he is near to me, and definitely we will be asked money. So that's why I'm going to stop few minutes. Okay, so as I told you that if you want to get better communication skills or want to speak better English, that purpose you will have to make videos in crowd place, whether it would be many people or not. Your focus, your dedication, or you will have to do consistently, then only you will be able to speak English in an articulate manner. And right now I am asked for money, as I told you. So right now I'm going to give him money. So right now I'm asked money, so I get to conductor 100 rupees, but I don't know. I don't know how much money they will charge us, but I'm pretty sure that I had been many times. But right now, how much money is going to take? It means that 60 rupees. Okay, so we were returned 40 rupees. Okay, but it's okay because many times I went. You wanna say something, dear? You wanna say something? Oh, it's okay. Better. Give. Okay. So when I was speaking, so that time behind me, that visual you must be getting. So he was telling that good English, and I thought that yes, that person when I speak something, but he doesn't know anything. But it's okay because I know that who comes from
village or small cities, they don't know how to communicate or how to talk to someone like that. Okay, but it's okay. And as I told you that whether when you try to speak in crowd place, at that time you will be told, you will be appreciated sometimes, but many people they will think that that person wanna show like to us that how that person is speaking English like that. Okay, so no need to worry, it happened with me earlier as well, this time also it happened with me. But it is a common thing that just try to, there are a lot of people while speaking time you will be told that as well they will not see you in a good manner, they will try to treat you like you that you want to show them that how you are speaking like that. It's okay, but my purpose is that dear, right now I'm making videos, it means not that only videos I'm making, but you can say that which kinds of confidence as well dedication I have. So these kinds of dedication or enthusiastic everybody should have, them only they will be able to speak as well, make it their English in an articulate manner, isn't it? Okay, so I want to show you that here he is my brother-in-law, and yesterday we visited and his name is Anil. So Anil. Yeah. So yesterday what happened here? So yesterday we went to for playing cricket. So I was not aware that my brother-in-law he visited my place, but from my house I got it call from my sister-in-law. As well as I was told that where are you living right now? There is one person who came to our home. I asked many times that tell me that who is that person, but at that time I was not told that who was that person. So finally when I reached to home, maybe 9 p.m. at night. Okay, so that time I was told, so over there I see, it was very surprised for me that oh my god, I'm going to meet with his brother-in-law after a long time, maybe 5 or 6 years later on, I met with brother-in-law. Okay, so there are a lot of people, they started fighting, maybe they are not, paying money to travel, so they started fighting, I don't know, there is kinds of happening everywhere, especially whenever you will travel in Bihar or any area. But I know that because I have spent it several times in Kerala, so that while you going anytime, you will be not told anything that person didn't pay any money, he is not giving money, because at that time you will be helped, that you will be asked that which place or what happened to you that right now you are not able to, why you are making fighting with other people like that. Okay, as well you will be helped, because I was helped several times, because even though I have few stories that when I was traveling to long time. Okay, so that time actually what happened, so that time I didn't have money, but in that case what happened that I was asked actually but that time there was money on my phone, but cash on my hand there was nothing on my hand, cash I didn't have. Okay, so that time conductor I asked that hello dear, could you tell me that which place you wanna go? So I told to him that yes, I want to go that place, but I don't have money right now. So I was told that okay, it's okay, you don't have money, but over there just same time, like I was traveling by bus, so next to me there was one person was standing, not standing, sitting. Okay, sitting on the bus. So after whatever I was telling to conductor, next to me that person was observing very nicely. As well I was told that could you tell me that what happened to you? As well I told to him that yeah, I don't have money, so right now I'm unable to pay it to conductor. So over there I was given 500 rupees I was given. So that moment was very very adorable for me, because in that situation in our Bihar nobody is there to help you, but in Kerala there are a lot of people, always time they are ready to help others. So okay, as I told you that related to journey I discussed, so hope you enjoyed a lot as well. You are watching my videos and keep watching as well, supporting guys, and till now bye bye and